In this video, we listed the 5 best cordless vacuum that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ABIR VC205 Cordless Vacuum. The Smart Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner VC205 is a high-end handheld vacuum designed for efficient cleaning with advanced features. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, it boasts a powerful suction capability of up to 27,000 pascals, making it effective at removing even the tiniest particles from various surfaces. The vacuum operates on a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 2,200 mAh, providing up to 40 minutes of cleaning time in eco mode. It features a 0.8 L bagless dust cup, a cyclone filter system, and an E13 grade HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of small dust particles. The ultra-large touch screen allows users to easily switch between modes, while the LED display ring visually indicates the cleaning status. With multiple brush attachments, including a unique bed cleaning brush and a floor brush with LED lights, the VC205 is versatile for different cleaning tasks. Additionally, it incorporates smart dust detection, auto speed control, and maintenance notifications, ensuring optimal performance and user convenience. The vacuum is suitable for international use, with adaptable plugs for various regions. Number 2. Armo V18 Cordless Vacuum. The V18 handheld vacuum cleaner by Armo is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution that combines advanced technology with user-friendly design. Featuring a robust 550W digital motor and an impressive suction power of 50,000 pascals, this cordless vacuum effectively tackles various messes, including pet hair and stubborn dirt. It operates on a lithium-ion battery, providing a battery life of 30 to 59 minutes, and includes a 1-2L dust box for efficient debris collection. The vacuum offers 3 operating modes and comes equipped with a range of accessories, including a crevice tool and upholstery brush, ensuring it meets diverse cleaning needs. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle enhance maneuverability, while the LED display adds a modern touch and smart home connectivity for remote monitoring and control. With its sleek aesthetics and powerful performance, the V18 is an ideal choice for maintaining a clean and stylish living space in today's modern homes. Number 3. Robot Lifestyle RL9 Max Cordless Vacuum. The RL9 Max Cordless Vacuum Cleaner from Robot Lifestyle is a versatile wet and dry cleaning robot designed for efficient and powerful cleaning. Weighing 4.25 kilograms, it features a robust brushless motor with a suction power of 14,000 pascals, making it effective in tackling various messes, including stubborn stains and grease. The vacuum operates with a 4,000 mAh battery, providing up to 35 minutes of normal cleaning time and 13 minutes in steam mode. It includes an 800 ml recovery tank and a 600 ml solution tank, allowing for extended use without frequent refills. With 5 operational modes, including efficient, turbo, wet mopping, absorption, and steam modes, the RL9 Max is equipped to handle different cleaning tasks. Its smart LED display offers variable operation settings and voice guidance for user convenience. Additionally, the vacuum features a self-heating rolling brush for sterilization, low-noise operation at under 72 dB, and a sleek design that fits seamlessly into modern homes. With a working area capacity of 200 and a 140 degrees tilt angle for enhanced maneuverability, the RL9 Max is an ideal choice for maintaining cleanliness in various spaces, including kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. Number 4. Armo V18 Wireless Handheld Vacuum Clean. The Armo Cordless Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight and versatile cleaning solution designed for both home and car use. Powered by a high-speed digital motor with 105,000 RPM, it delivers up to 30,000 pascals strong suction with 250W power, making it efficient for deep cleaning dust, debris, and liquids. Featuring 3 to 4 operating modes, a HEPA filtration system, and a 1-2L cyclone dust bucket, it ensures hygienic and powerful performance without the need for bags. The vacuum is wireless and handheld, with a runtime of 30 to 59 minutes on its rechargeable Li-ion battery, and includes an easy-to-read LCD display. Designed with 4 to 5 interchangeable nozzles, including a flat suction nozzle, it adapts to various cleaning needs such as carpets, hard floors, upholstery, and car interiors. Compact and easy to handle, the vacuum supports both vertical and handheld installation. With CE certification, wet and dry functionality, and a lightweight build under 3 kg, the Armo vacuum combines portability, efficiency, and convenience for everyday cleaning tasks. Number 5. Liectroux i7 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectroux i7 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a cutting-edge, versatile cleaning device designed for both wet and dry applications, making it ideal for tackling various messes in your home. With a compact size of 280mm x 210mm x 1150mm and a lightweight design of 3.8 kg, it features a powerful suction capability of 14,000 kPa and operates with a 200W motor, ensuring effective cleaning performance. The vacuum is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery that provides a runtime of 25 to 40 minutes, allowing for extensive cleaning without interruptions. Its dual-tank system, comprising an 800 ml recovery tank and a 600 ml solution tank, keeps clean and dirty water separate for optimal hygiene. The i7 Pro also boasts advanced features such as a hands-free self-cleaning function, an automatic drying system for the brush roller, and built-in voice guidance for monitoring cleaning performance. With an LCD display, multiple operating modes, and a turbo brush for enhanced cleaning, this smart vacuum cleaner combines convenience, efficiency, and hygiene, making it a perfect addition to any modern household.